never been easier to make viral AI cover songs than it is right now. And last week, I discovered a tool that lets you make as many AI songs as you want completely for free. And I'm being serious, like hundreds of songs, and you don't have to pay a dime. This is also super beginner friendly. So I'm going to be showing you how to make unlimited viral AI cover songs in this very short video. And also at the end, I'll be showing you how you can make an AI cover image for your song, and also how to get a video to download with it as well. You know, you don't need to know how to prompt, you don't need to know how to code, or even have any experience with making AI songs for this to work. Making it really easy for you to share this on social media. This whole video, I'll be breaking everything down step by step. It'll be really easy to follow along, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, to make sure that we can actually go viral, we need to make a song that nobody has ever seen before. And to do that, we need to ensure that we choose our cover song wisely, which brings me on to step number 1. So to get started, we're going to need two things. 1, a song, and 2, the style or the genre that we're going to be switching it to. Now, this is thankfully like the easiest part by far, and I'm going to assume you already have a song in your mind. And if you don't, there are plenty of songs out there, so literally just pick one. If you want to go viral, I would recommend choosing a well-known song. You know, something timeless that everybody knows, so that when they see it, it makes them want to click. So for example, a well-known AI cover song is Without Me by Eminem. Now, an AI cover of the song got over 3 million views on YouTube in literally just a month after publishing. Now, that's a perfect example, which brings me onto the style that we're going to be switching your song to. Now, obviously, you want to try to pick one that hasn't already been made, and especially one that hasn't already gone viral. And if you want to check that it hasn't already been made, I would recommend just doing a quick YouTube search. Just type up AI cover of insert your song name and just check if it's already been made. If it hasn't been made, you're good to go. And if it has, I would just change your song or switch to another style or genre. Anyway, for this example, I'm going to be choosing Billie Jean by Michael Jackson. This should be fun. So the next thing we're going to need to do is get your lyrics. So if you go to try and copy the lyrics from Genius, they'll all be watermarked with links taking you back to Genius. So this will obviously not work. And then if you ask ChatGPT to clean this text up, it will fail as this breaches various policies, and it just simply won't generate you an answer for compliance reasons. So to get around this, we're going to head to Grok. So this is also completely free, and you want to enter in this prompt. Write me the full song lyrics for song name by artist. Place the lyrics inside of a code frame. Then there's another super important step, so listen close. So this AI song generation platform that we're going to be using that's completely free can only generate songs or like increments of songs in 1 minute and 35 second blocks. But don't worry, there's an extension feature. So you can just make a 1 minute and 35 second block and then add another one, and if you need to, add a third. Anyway, what you want to do now is go and grab that text from Grok, just copy it, then go and load up a Google Doc. I would actually recommend using a Notion page, as it has like a clean, complete layout without any page breaks, but a Google Doc is fine. And then simply paste in the entire lyrics. And if your lyric says like verse 1 in brackets or chorus in brackets, you want to make sure to keep that stuff in. So if your song is under 1 minute and 35 seconds, that's perfect. Just drop it in and then you're done. If it's any longer, say around 3 minutes, then you want to make a break in the lyrics. Split it into 2 parts, because obviously the AI can only generate clips up to 1 minute and 35 seconds each. So we're first going to be creating your main section and then grabbing the second section of lyrics and adding that on top as an extension. And if your song's over 3 minutes and 10 seconds, that's no problem. Just divide it into 3 sections instead. Think of it like cutting your track into 3 natural chunks. And then we're going to be generating them one at a time to make a full, complete cover of your original song. So to recap, we now have our lyrics, we have our song choice, and the genre or the style that we're going to be switching it to. Got everything we need, so let's go and actually generate this cover song. Okay, so the platform that we're using to generate these AI cover songs is probably one that you haven't heard of. It's called Suno AI. I'll also place a link in the description. Don't worry, it's not an affiliate link. It'll just route you directly to the website. So this is the platform that will allow us to make unlimited AI cover songs, and it is so easy to get started. So the first thing that you want to do is sign up. Just press the login button in the top right corner and then create a new account. Once you've made your new account, you will see the music generation section on the home page right in front of you. And under here where it says start your masterpiece, you're going to want to press advanced. Then you want to navigate over here and press custom lyrics. This is where we're going to be putting your lyrics in. From there, you want to go back to your Google Doc or your Notion doc where your song lyrics are, grab the first section of the lyrics, then paste them in the lyrics section on Suno AI. Remember, if your song is under 1 minute and 35 seconds, just paste the whole lot in. Then above the lyrics in the sound section, simply choose which style or genre you would like to switch it to. When you add one, multiple more will pop up, but I would recommend sticking to about 1, 2, or 3. And once you've added those in, just simply hit generate. So for this, I'm going to be turning Billie Jean by Michael Jackson into a rap song. So once we have the first generation, just simply take a listen and see what you think.
Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who claims that I am the one. But the kid is not my son. She says I am the one. But the kid is not my son.
Okay, that is absolutely hilarious. But if your lyrics are a little bit off, that's completely fine. You can simply regenerate as many times as you want and just adjust the lyrics and the style strength in the more advanced settings. Remember, this is entirely free. These guys literally hate money. They will let you run hundreds of times without asking for anything. So if you want to do a few at the start to familiarize yourself, I would recommend that. Now, if all looks good with the first generation, all we have to do now is just add in the rest of the lyrics. So it will always generate 2 songs, and out of those 2, choose the best one and then press the 3 dots to the right and then press extend. Then go back to your Google Doc or your Notion page, wherever the lyrics are, grab either the second half of the song or the next section if you have more than 2. Then in that extend page, just paste the lyrics into the lyrics section and then press generate. And remember, like I said, if you have more than 2 sections of your song, if it's over like 3 minutes, you're going to have to repeat this process one more time. And from there, just take a listen, and you can easily make changes by pressing the 3 dots again beside the song card and then pressing replace. Here you can make edits to each individual section, but unfortunately not the whole thing at once. Then when it comes to exporting the song, just press the 3 dots again and you'll see a couple options. You can either download it with various file types or press get video, and it will generate a video background with sound waves for sharing on social media, for example. And that's it. Now you have an AI cover song. Remember, the most important thing here is getting the first one solid. There's a fair few settings that you can't play around with. Remember, this is free, so just work away at it. If you find one setting isn't working, then just keep running it and trialing it. What helped me a little bit is trying to space out the lyrics a bit more and adding in a few more spaces. Also, make sure you have your brackets in that says like verse 1 or pre-chorus or chorus, just giving the AI a bit of direction. It won't actually read these as lyrics, so don't worry about that. And then once you have that first one done, just copy and paste the lyrics into the extended sections and it'll follow the same pattern. Anyway, you now have a AI cover song, and if you want to make a banging AI cover image, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to head over to a website called Nano Banana, and I'll also put a link in the description, and it's not an affiliate link, do not worry. And what Nano Banana is genuinely the best AI image creator, or probably the best AI image editor. So essentially what we're going to do is feed in a prompt and an image of your artist for it to generate and basically tailor to the genre of your cover song. So once you're there, I'm going to assume that you haven't used Nano Banana before, so you just want to press try Nano Banana button and then create an account. Now once you're in, you only have a couple of credits, so make sure you follow this very closely, because if you mess it up, then you're gonna have to go and create a new account, because you only get like 1 or 2 free generations on a new account. So first things first, go to the AI image editor. This is where we will be transforming your artist. Then you want to go and find a solid image of your artist. Okay, just simply do a Google search, ideally while they're performing, you know, something that shows them some solid facial features. This is a perfect example of Michael Jackson. And once you find it, just save it. Then you're going to want to head back to Nano Banana and upload the image and paste in this prompt beneath it. Put this in the description so you can go down and copy it in and then fill in the variables. Once that is in and you've filled in all of the variables, go ahead and hit generate. Now to download this image you do have to pay, but do not worry, you can literally just view the image and take a screenshot of it. Or if you aren't happy and you've ran out of credits, you can just go to ChatGPT and try it there, but it will not be as good as Nano Banana. And just like that, you now have your AI cover song completely for free, and you can make as many of these as you want. If you want to make more of these, I'd recommend just getting a Nano Banana subscription to make really good cover images. That's how you're more likely to go viral with a good thumbnail for YouTube, for example. If you have any questions, please drop them into the comments and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to see more AI videos and tutorials like this, please consider subscribing and liking this video. I would greatly appreciate that. Like I said, the prompt for Nano Banana is going to be in the description if you need it, but thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.